Felt so embarrassed. I felt clammy. I had anxiety building up. Welcome back to my channel, my lovelies. I hope you've had a productive day. In today's video, hold up, Julsz, girl, what happened to your intro? My bad. Welcome to my channel. I'm Julsz, and over here we have a good time all the time. Today's video is a little story time. Can I tell y'all? Listen, I don't even know where to start. I really don't know what to start, honey. But let me just give the characters some name. So obviously there's myself, Julsz. I'm the main character in this story time, okay? We're gonna call the worker Shanae, because she is everything Shanae represents.
What do you want, Shanae?
Oh my goodness. If it isn't Little Miss Attitude.
She is just that ghetto fabulous type of girl. We're gonna call her Shanae. Shanae had me all up in my feelings. Shanae was just doing way too much. Way too much, okay? So, my story time starts like this. One sweet day, I was in New York. Yes, baby. I've been to the big airport. Yes, honey. So I was in New York one day, and from watching YouTube and American TVs and all that good stuff, we obviously know that the Dollar Tree is quite famous, right? I mean, everyone wanna go to the Dollar Tree. Call me broke, call me whatever you want to call me, but honey child, I had to see what the hype was about. Dollar Tree. Okay, I went to the Dollar Tree and I started to pick up a few things. Started to put them in my little trolley. You know, this was the Dollar Tree located in, no, is that, I can't, let me not put the actual location, but just know that the Dollar Tree was actually in New York. Okay, it was in New York, sis. It was in New York, yeah. So went to the Dollar Tree and I started to fill my cart. Now you know I said everything in Dollar Tree is $1. 1, 2 things add up. Like eventually my cart was all saying like $30. I'm like, okay, cool. So we get into the queue. People are so trifling. We get into the queue to pay for these stuff, right? And Shanae was the cashier. Shanae. So my mom goes first. Mom checks her stuff and her cards go through. Cool. It's now my turn. So Shanae's all packing my stuff. I'm like, oh, this is really cute. Really cute customer service until she opens up her mouth, honey. It come be like, say, Shanae just came from the... I don't want to discriminate, so let me not. But Shanae has a whole heap of attitude. So she packs my stuff and she's like, oh, that will be $30. I thought, alright, attitude. Alright, attitude. So I flick out my Monzo card, because you know us Brits, we love a Monzo card when we're traveling. So I flicked out my Monzo card. I was like, okay, no problem. So I pushed in my card, tapped in my number as you usually do, okay, and press enter. So I'm seeing Shanae be tapping a couple things on the screen and whatever. I'm like, what is going on? Like, Shanae, what is the problem? So Shanae then goes, oh, your card get declined. Me? Julsz? Come again? Me?
Oh, I'm sorry, but it ain't on. No, it's not on. No.
They just all look at me like, do you not just hear me? Your card just got declined. I was thinking, I was like, okay, hold on, wait. I was like, wait. I was like, I was thinking about it, wait, hold up, that cannot be me, because I know I've got money up on my card, okay? So obviously, I say, let's try again. So okay. So this time she swipes it in the card machine, the card reader thing. Cool. She goes, your card get declined again. I said, damn. Shanae. No, Shanae. Customer service match? I felt so embarrassed. I felt clammy. I had anxiety building up. There was so much going on within myself. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if I should be crying, if I should be cussing Shanae because she just be telling the whole store my business, yeah, or what's going on. So I'm like, hold up. Hold up. Like, no girl. It could never be me. It could never be me. It could never be me. So I'm like, okay, let me check my account. Right? So I log on to Monzo, and Monzo, you have to, I don't know what you got to do, if you got to call them before you go on holiday or whatever the case is. But they were like, oh, we've recognized a transaction in New York at this location, for this amount. If you recognize it and authorize it or whatever, you know, the little pre-upload little statement. I was like, okay, cool. So I pressed approval. I was like, can we try again? She was like, all right then, go on. Thinking, oh my God, Shanae. Obviously, Shanae's not her name, but Shanae, like, who raised you? So I pushed in my card again, okay, again, because I knew I had money on my card. Yes, I knew I had money on my card, okay? So I pushed it in. I put in my PIN number, as us Brits do, and it went through. You know what? I had money. I had money on my card. And the funny thing is, when it went through, guys, Shanae didn't even say nothing. She didn't say, oh, here's your groceries, thank you for shopping at Dollar Tree. Nothing. She was like, next customer please. I thought, I mean, honey, I know for a fact I didn't come rattle your tail feather this morning. I know for a fact you need this job, boo, so you better be serving people correctly. She was so rude, guys, so rude. Like, her whole attitude stunk. Her whole attitude stunk real bad. I thought, even if my card declined twice, you can hear that I'm from England, so obviously you must automatically think it's probably a problem with the card, not a problem with my bank balance, honey. Cause she was making me feel like, oh, you's a broke girl, you ain't got no money, you in the Dollar Tree and you broke. And I thought, Shanae, seriously? Like, she was just giving it all the head movements and the whole little, you know, all them little side talks. I'm thinking, where's your manager? Do they not train you guys how to speak to people? Because right now, Shanae, you ain't speaking to me good. Shanae. Shanae, I will never forget that experience at Dollar Tree because of you, Shanae. Yes, you, Shanae. So that was just my experience at Dollar Tree in New York. It wasn't the best. The customer service had me feeling all up in my feelings. I felt clammy. I felt anxious. I was all sweating everywhere. Okay, I was not happy. Because the thing is, right, she was shouting my business across the whole store with her loud mouth. Because the store was so packed. Listen, guys, the store was packed. It looked like, when I was in the queue was growing longer and longer and longer. The store was so packed, and Shanae was just screaming at the top of her lungs like, yo, your card got declined, your card got declined. And I thought, are you okay? No, are you okay? because I know I'm paying your bills, okay? You need me to survive, Shanae. No, she was going on real bad. Like in England, customer service is everything. You can't step out of line like that. No, honey. The card can decline 1,000 times. You better smile through that. You better smile through that transaction, baby girl. In the United Kingdom, yeah, you better smile through that transaction, my darling, because there is no way it could never be me. Not in England, it could never be me. But if you enjoyed the story time, please let me know so I know to do more story time for y'all. If you didn't, such is life. We sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, innit? But yeah, Shanae had me all up in my feelings. She had me sweating. I was all clammy. I was all nervous, anxious, everything. Do you understand? Do you understand? But yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share, and most importantly, please do turn on that bell notification so you never miss a video from myself, okay? Okay? And remember, over here we have a good time all the time. Say it with me now. Say it with me now, sis. Over here we have a good time all the time. And on that note, I will see you in my next video. God bless you and have a good day. Bye.